Hey guys, it's Saturday morning and I was just up and doing my morning routine and doing some crafts in preparation for my birthday, which is next month. I'm throwing a big birthday party for myself, so I'm really excited. But I'm actually making custom glasses for myself with Beyonce quotes, and they're kind of turning out cool. So I wanted to just share them with other people. So this is what they kind of look like, just to get the idea. So these are dollar store glasses, and then I just bought like quotes. So I've got it's hard to see. Smack it in the air. Smack it in the air. And then, of course, you have to have your classic. I slay hey, all day hey. But yeah, they're really cool and they're kind of turning out really, really nice. And I have, okay ladies, now let's get information. But these are going to be really cute for all my girlfriends to be drinking out of at my birthday party. So I just wanted to quick share how I make them. So I ordered them online and they came in little slips of paper like this. So that's what I get. So then I went online on dollartree.com and I ordered my glasses, which are really pretty. They have gold rims, so they went with the gold color that I picked out. And you can pick different colors. I can't remember what colors they had, but they're cool. They also had Katy Perry quotes, Clueless quotes. I almost bought them all, but I was like, Sarah, you only need one. You do not need glasses with all these different quotes, because they are hand wash only after you put the decals on. You can't like machine wash them, they'll get ruined. So I'm kind of assuming this is going to be a one-time use, maybe more if I'm lucky. But yeah, so these glasses. So how you do it, let me do my glass. So I have pre-washed all of my glasses. And then make sure they're really, really dry. Okay. And I actually chose a dish towel that has stripes on it just because then I can lay my glass down and like have it somewhat straight. So, all right, so here we have the clean glass, and then I'm going to line it up on there. And then this is where it gets tricky. You have your little decal, and you have to peel it off on an angle, and sometimes the letters will actually kind of peel off. So I started, when I did my first one, I did the I slay one. So you kind of have to peel off at an angle like this. And maybe I'll get lucky and it will peel off perfectly with every letter. I've noticed that the smaller ones peel off better than the longer quotes. Look at that. Fantastic. So now I'm going to line it up with my lines as best I can, and I want to down the middle and out so that I don't get any air bubbles. Perfection. And then I actually just used like the end of a scissors like this. I just go like this. The moment of truth. So I'm going to take a little corner, and just like I tore that little parchment paper off the back, I'm going to peel, and I'll show you closely, at an angle. So I am like practically pulling the plastic against the glass in efforts to make sure that the letters stay on the glass. I don't know if I'm even doing it right. I'm assuming I am because it's working, but I kind of just figured this out myself. It looks like this is going to be another perfect one. Yay! And now I've got my I've been drinking glass. And then what I do when I'm done with that is I very, very carefully go around the glass and just make sure that everything is flawless as it should be, baby. So yeah, and then sometimes I might have to go along one of the letters to make sure and they're good. but that's just what I do, and I do that with all of the glasses. So I hope you guys liked that little tutorial of kind of how I found these glasses. I randomly came across the website and I'm really happy I found them because I'm having a really fun themed slumber party for my birthday this year. So this will just be fun and add a little flavor to the birthday party. But yeah, if anyone has any questions, let me know. I will link the store where I actually bought these down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.